reason she's not in a car seat?
We're actually removing it right now.
Got pulled over. I'm seeing something about a missing person. She's refused to return the child. That is an child. The father's been awarded full custody. Did just sign a warrant for arrest.
Why am I being arrested though?
She's made threats that they're going to have to get their baby back.
Thursday, June 3rd, 2021, Panama City, Florida. What began as a minor traffic infraction in a busy tourist corridor ended up revealing the final moment of a 2-month search that started in Olive Branch, Mississippi. The plate hit that appeared when the officer ran the tag was no coincidence. Behind it were weeks of quiet interstate coordination, a violated custody order, and a child listed as missing and/or injured. In seconds, a routine stop became the opportunity that Mississippi had been waiting for since April. I'm Tyler, and this is your Daily Dose of Crime. Get your Daily Dose of Crime every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern, and we're turning it up. 2 videos per day. Don't miss a single moment and tune in.
Hey there, how you doing, sir? You already know why I'm stopping you?
Okay, can I come go across the passing lane?
What?
Can I come through the meeting?
Yeah. You got your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir. And I asked the car, I didn't realize I wasn't, I was trying to ask the car to get over here, and he said, yeah, and then fucking...
Alright. Do you have the registration or the insurance or anything? Any reason she's not in a car seat?
Yes, sir, we're actually removing it right now.
2021 Panama, 97.
And her car seat's in the back, but I have nowhere to step her down. I have we come from the side of town, and we're relocating. We just went up there to Dodge and slushy and stuff, and we're supposed to go back to the room.
So you have a room? So I guess the correct solution would have been to download some of your stuff so she can ride in the car seat.
Well, it's not our room.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, like we're literally even sleeping in the car.
Her being in a car seat's more important to me than your stuff is. I guess what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
So, give me a second. 813 on top type. Can you check out the NCIC on this car? I got pulled over. I'm seeing something about a missing endangered person.
813, what's the name on it?
On the 28 or on the missing person?
On the signal 8, is it Jordan Akers is showing up?
I believe Akers is showing up. I'm not sure if it's related or not, but in the notes it says possibly in the Panama City area. So, whose car is this? You have your ID, ma'am?
I've never.
What's up?
Her purse was stolen yesterday morning.
Oh, that's no good at all.
Yeah.
All right, what's your name? Jordan Akers.
2021 Panama City, 97.
Yeah, if you pull like when
97.
You want to, we'll pull over right here, and I throw whatever we can in back here in the back.
Yeah, we'll get to that, man.
And,
spell Akers for me.
Akers.
Before the camera captures the first exchange, the system has already linked the vehicle's plate to Jordan Akers, wanted since April for violating a custody order. For the officer, that name changes everything. He's no longer assessing a traffic violation, but the possibility that he has the missing child in front of him. At this stage, the key is the discrepancy between the casual story Akers attempts to present and the alert flagged by the system. That anticipatory tension, common amongst adults who have been on the run, pushes the officer to watch for details the camera will not highlight. The absence of a child safety seat, excessive protective physical contact with the girl, and short guarded answers. These are typical signs of someone who fears that any detail might expose the truth. The focus is no longer the infraction, it's the immediate safety of the child.
Yeah, can you copy this white female signaling? I'm confirming that identity. I'm with the mother in the notes, Jordan Akers. Hey, what's her date of birth? Okay, thanks.
What would be a good place where we could wash all this?
Yeah.
Wash your stuff?
Yeah.
What do you mean wash? Like in the laundry?
Like a big laundromat.
Yeah, there's one a few blocks back that way. Give me a second, I'm almost done. Hey, 13 on cell type. I did confirm I am 1012 with you.
Is that a kid I seen in the front seat? No, that's what I thought.
Yeah. That is an child.
Sir, is that mom? Oh.
And child.
Oh boy. That's no bueno.
No, not even 100% sure what to do with that.
Signal 50, you think?
I don't know. The father's been awarded full custody and she's refused to return the child. According to the note, she's made threats that they're going to have to get their baby back.
Hey, you mind stepping out and talk with me real quick? Just a second? Yeah, please. Drop a piece of paper. I get you to step back here with me for just a second.
What's up?
We'll let Sarge talk to you in just a second.
My apologies. It's gonna be a white male.
You're not under arrest for being offender, right?
The first name's gonna be Jake.
I'll explain this later.
Courtney. Charles Ursa Jr.
Where are the car keys? Where are the car keys? Pat him down real quick and set him in the car.
What happened?
Do it?
Somebody asked what happened?
Yeah, he's going to explain everything to you in just a second. Apparently something going on with you guys, and I don't really know all the backstory, so if I tell you much of anything that I don't know, I'm lying to you, and that ain't my job. So,
Well,
but she just...
the reason why I asked is because I just got told about this last night that
Just phones is all I got.
I'll explain to you what's going on, man.
So it's about 8:13. Correct, when I found her.
because I just found out this
Civil.
her mama called me and said that
Just have a seat for me.
said that she had something about she had missed court with her baby daddy
Back
or
up.
something,
And
that
I'm sorry about that, man. I didn't mean to cut you off.
My apologies.
I didn't mean to cut you off. Sorry. I just got a lot of different stuff going on.
yeah, man, what's actually going on? Because I got a phone call last night from Jordan's mother that said that something about that there was going to be an Amber Alert or something put out for the baby but she has full custody of the child.
Okay.
Like she has paperwork in the truck that states she has full custody of the child. And I didn't know nothing about it until last night.
Okay.
And so I told her that's what we've been in the process of talking about. I told her that we need to head back and just go on and handle this the right way.
Okay.
And so and that's what I'm trying to figure out is that what's going on?
Yeah. That's the issue. Is it showing up that she's missing?
Yeah, she does have full custody of her.
Okay. And that's. I really just wanted to separate you two, man. You're not under arrest. You're obviously detained, but I don't anticipate you to be going to jail or anything like that. Just so we're clear, I just want you to kind of understand what's going on.
Yes,
I really just wanted you two separated. So I can. And if that's, I'm waiting to confirm. And if it's nothing, then you guys will be out of here, and we'll call it that. But I gotta verify. So.
Cool. Yeah, man. There's just so much BS been going on in the last month and a half for me and her,
I get it.
And so we tried to. Pretty much, her mom moved down here. I don't know if you remember the wreck that happened on Thomas Drive with that guy on the motorcycle that died.
Yeah,
Osborne?
yeah, I think so.
That was her. That's her mom. Was her mom's fiance.
Okay.
And they were living at the Dunes of Panama. And we come down here and we visited, and then we went back to our hometown. Well, man, it's just there's so much drama and BS going on between her and her baby daddy and all this and the other. Her mama called us and was like, "Hey, y'all get out of here." So she called her attorney. Her attorney said that because her baby daddy was in jail at the time of when he was supposed to get the baby, and so she called her attorney. Her attorney told us that if you don't want his family getting a hold of that baby, get your baby and get out of town. So that's what we did, and now here we are. So I was just like, man, can't win for losing. Can't catch a break for nothing. Because I'm actually a tow truck driver. And so I'm White's towing. I'm supposed to go here in a little while to go up there and get all my information and stuff put in. And I'm supposed to be getting in a tow truck with them.
Okay, yeah, that's a good company to work for.
So,
yeah, I'm trying to think, man. There's like the Habitat for Humanity and Salvation Army and some things like that might be able to help you guys out.
it wouldn't be as bad if we didn't have the baby. But because we had the baby, it's just...
Oh, yeah, I know.
I can't stand jumping around.
Yeah, that's no good.
But
where are you guys staying at?
Honestly, man, that car right there.
Oh, okay. So, I guess you missed that. You said you slept in the car.
Yeah. Like we know people down here, but it's not trustworthy people,
I get it.
So that's literally why we got the car packed from top to bottom.
Yeah.
Trying to keep all our stuff with us because that's all we own,
When officers verify both women's identities, a crucial detail emerges. The child is listed in the NCIC as missing and/or a classification reserved only for minors at emotional or physical risk during their disappearance. This status indicates that Mississippi already suspected the environment around Akers was unstable. From this point forward, officers aren't only determining whether Akers acted alone, they're assessing whether the companion played an active role. The lack of a child restraint system, the prolonged time outside the legal residence, and the presence of two adults traveling with a child registered as endangered trigger expanded protocols, securing immediate protection, documenting inconsistencies, and coordinating with Mississippi to determine whether this was an impulsive escape or a sustained evasion. Psychologically, Akers' behavior aligns with profiles of a parental abductor under stress, hypervigilance, control over the narrative, and resistance to acknowledging recent movements, indicators of someone operating in emotional survival mode.
She being pretty cool?
Yeah.
All right, let's
I could probably just talk her into bringing her and sitting in my back seat.
let's do
I
that.
almost guarantee I could do that.
Yeah, we don't have to put her in handcuffs or anything for right now. I just want to keep everything cool with the kid. But let's go ahead and set her in your car. Make sure she's got no weapons on her. We don't have to search her, but
she ain't very much. So.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's no big deal. She's not under arrest or anything like that. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah.
And we just want to set her in our car.
And she wants to smoke anyway, so that will give her an opportunity to smoke.
Perfect.
I can save the kid in my police car.
Yep, perfect. Let's do that.
About it.
Oh, hello. How are you? Say hi. Can you tell her your name? Hi.
She is absolutely precious.
Yeah, come here. I'll talk to you real quick. Yeah, I know. So, talking to the case agent, the child is the Signal 8. That's birth mother. They're writing a warrant for her as we speak. She's run off the child.
51 to BCD.
This is boyfriend. They don't have charges on him. They would like him interviewed. But depending on what he's willing to say, he and the car can go. We're standing by for warrants for her. They're trying to get dad over here to pick up child. So the biggest thing is going to be figuring out what to do with the kiddo until dad gets here.
Okay. Does mom have an ID or license or anything?
I got a license number, but she doesn't have it with her.
Is dad on the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How long?
Coming from Mississippi.
Okay. Because they said typically they don't just come out and babysit. So she knows that we're not really supposed to either. I'm going to run it by their all-out person, but we might just have to sit with kiddo until dad gets here.
Okay. That's unusual, but what we got to do, I guess.
Yeah, because they're out of state. There's nothing for them to do. It's just a babysitting issue, so.
Yeah. Sounds good. I sent you the case agent, too, if you got any questions for her.
Okay. The case agent in Mississippi?
Yeah. So she might be able to give you some more clarification on time frames and all that. I didn't ask her that, but...
but we know he is on his way.
That's what she said, yes.
All right. Let me just run it by the DCF, make sure that they don't want to come out, and then they want an interview from him, so I'll call the case agent to see what they need.
Yeah, she asked for interviews, and then she said they have nothing for him in the car. Just asked for an interview from him. He's pretty forthcoming, so.
Okay. All right. Let me get some clarification, and I'll talk to him.
Appreciate it. There's a traffic stop.
Yeah, if they don't have warrants, how'd you already...
So when I ran the tag, she's the RO, and kiddo comes back as missing. Dispatch didn't need to tell me.
Is it tied to the tag?
Yes. I started running through dispatch, and it actually says don't detain or arrest based on this information. So I called the case agent, and she's like, "Yeah, we're doing it right now. Like, just hold what you got." And I was like, "Okay, so this is legit." But,
no, I was just curious how it
it's-
got tied together if they hadn't got the warrants.
Yeah, just me being nosy. So dispatch didn't even mention it to me. So, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, let me do it for you.
Yep, take time.
Yeah, just still working on
Okay.
stuff right now. So they can't necessarily babysit. They're going to try to contact the CAC and see if they can.
Yeah, that'd be a good
there's
call.
someone there, but otherwise we will be stuck with.
25 Mom, 1097 BCJ.
Yeah, that
So
sucks.
we'll see. If not, they recommended because it's like an 8-hour drive from our map. Maybe just keeping mom with the kid in the room.
Yeah, well, we don't.
Let her care for her until.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We don't have the 48s yet anyway, so it's going to be a while for that anyway. So yeah, that's why.
If anything, I don't know. I mean, do we have an ETA on the 48s?
She's already talking there. It's just a matter of the judge signing them, is what it sounds like.
And they're going to extradite?
Yeah.
Be with him so far. CAC's going to take her. 20 minutes if you can get her there. I'm going to finish up with him, get an ETA for Dad, because I got his contact information now. And then I'll just follow up with them. Worst case scenario is they have to leave, and we got to send an officer to pick her up for the next couple hours.
Yep. She's trying to get him on a plane. I said, if we can do that, then we can. She said it'd be a couple hours flight if they can get him out this morning.
From Mississippi?
Yeah. So I was like, if you can get him here sooner that way, we can probably arrange to have someone meet him at the airport.
I could take my truck I-10, man.
She said it's like a 10-hour drive.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's on his way to their police.
So they live almost. It's like, I guess it's in North Mississippi, almost to Memphis.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Once Child Protective Services enter the scene, they bring an assessment that officers cannot perform on their own, evaluating the child's condition after 2 months outside Mississippi. Through interviews and clinical observation, they detect signs typical of prolonged instability, shifting stories about where they slept, lack of consistent meals, and the absence of recent medical or school records. These findings point to an itinerant lifestyle, a characteristic of adults who avoid remaining in one place in order to prevent being located. For specialists, this indicates the escape was not impulsive but sustained. Emotionally, the child shows signs of accumulated stress caused by constant movement and a lack of predictability, fatigue, being clingy, and disoriented sleep patterns. With this information, the investigation no longer focuses solely on confirming Akers' identity. It now seeks to reconstruct how the evasion was maintained and whether the companion acted as a facilitator, an enabler, or a codependent participant in the flight.
Say like that.
That's a freaking drive.
Yes, it is. I don't know if I can take anything.
They're exploring the options to get him here as soon as they can.
We can trooper.
Yeah, the dad was there with her when I talked to her. He signed the warrants. She's going to get them signed by the judge and sending them over so we can do what we're going to do with her.
Okay. So CAC's going to take the kids, so whatever you guys want to do with mom, you can do. We need to hold her just until they sign those warrants in case they want an interview.
Yeah.
As far as I know, no, but they may change their mind, and then I'll get him out again.
Yep.
Take these two to CAC?
No, just the girl, right? Just the baby.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good once you're done with him. Did you interview her or no?
No, not yet. Like I said, I've got a depot in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
That's I don't know. Yeah, if they want one, we can take care of that before she goes to jail.
If you just bring baby to the CAC, if you want to transfer her up to the station, I'm going to get rid of him.
Okay.
I'll do my depot, and then I'll call the detective back there, see if they want to interview, and then if not,
I'm probably gonna, if it's okay with you, I'm probably trying to take them both up there together, and we're just holding both of them until I get ready to separate them.
CAC. Okay.
Yeah. Or they can both come to the station, or we can both go to the CAC. Does that work for you?
Yeah, they have different policies, but
Okay.
I don't think because it's in a, they might allow mom in the facility. So just double check with them.
I'm just trying to wait until I have the warrant in hand before I bother separating. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yep. Nope. Understand. All right.
So as long as it's cool with our bosses, that's what I prefer to do, and then we'll take her over there once it's confirmed.
Okay. I spoke to LaTanya at the CAC, so she'll be expecting you.
Okay. Perfect.
I'll finish up with him and get him out.
Okay.
That's 11th of Magnolia.
Yeah, we're just gonna take her to the station for now.
Okay.
I'll call Gretchen and explain to her what's going on. No offense to her, but I'm not separating them. I'm not taking her to anywhere except for the station until that warrant's confirmed.
Yeah. So how will we even transport the kid to?
We can transport a kid. I'd take her in the car seat.
Well, yeah.
I'll talk to Gretchen about that. Honestly, we're just gonna take her to the station.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there.
All right. I'll give her opportunity to smoke and we'll.
That's fine.
Skedaddle.
Yeah.
All right, you guys are gonna ride to the station with us, okay? So if you want to smoke real quick before we go, yeah, absolutely. I don't know.
Okay.
Request the detective check.
Are we driving or are we riding with y'all?
Right on me. I gave them to you.
Hey there.
Car. Hi.
What'd you leave?
I think I left the wipes in my car.
Oh, that's no good.
I'm gonna change her clothes because she did get dirty out there, y'all.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What are you doing?
Actually, can you come out to us for a second?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know this was on.
Hi, baby.
Well, we'll be right back.
It's okay.
Well, that's okay.
I'm not sure exactly what she's on. I know a little bit of it, but if she's not coming back, and I'll at least kiss her before.
Yeah, you can give her a kiss. That's just fine.
While we're here right now, I know a little bit about her.
421, 10
You want to give it that back?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, that is one.
You're still back out here? Alright, they did just sign a warrant for your arrest, like right now.
Why am I being arrested though?
For I think is what they said.
Custody of her.
That's not what they're saying.
In my car if y'all want to read it.
That's not what they're saying in Mississippi. So I'm not charging you with anything. It's just a warrant.
When reviewing the documents sent from Mississippi, a new detail shifts the context. Akers not only ignored the custody order, but also turned off her phone during several key periods, eliminating all digital trace. This behavior is not accidental. It's a recurring pattern in long-term parental abductions to avoid cell tower triangulation while minimizing detection. Simultaneously, Child Protective Services identify additional indicators in the girl: clothing that no longer fits her size, lack of personal belongings, and signs of accumulated physical fatigue. These observations confirm that the group did not stay in one location, but moved frequently, likely improvised but deliberate in order to avoid being found. Together, these findings will indicate a sustained evasion, minimally planned yet intentionally maintained, possibly supported by informal networks or outside assistance. Investigators now have to determine whether the companion had acted with full knowledge of Akers' legal status, which could elevate her role from bystander to co-offender.
Everything. This man has violated every order in our custody case and our court case.
Alright, step over here with me.
There's no way. Cancel the decree, please.
Set her in my car. I'm gonna talk to them real quick. Yeah, just have a seat. We'll see if we can get you something.
Oh my God.
Come on. Have a seat.
Y'all have no idea what he is. What he's done to us.
Here, have a seat.
1213, both of you guys at 10-4.
Put the window down.
We're 10-4, I'm detained on the mail. Detained 1047.
Hey there. The father who has custody is on his way here on a flight. He should be in town at about 3:30.
Okay.
Is there a way we can get the kid over there to meet him or get him here some way? If you guys can, I can see if our CID can arrange it. But
Yeah, I can talk to Lori and
Okay.
see. At the airport?
yeah,
Okay.
Corey, I believe, has his information. So if I'll have her get it with you and work all that out, if that's okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, perfect. Thank you guys so much.
Does she have clothes? You don't want to get her any?
She's going straight to the jail and she's gonna be extradited back and whatever they give her to wear anyway.
Okay.
So otherwise, I mean, I would, but
Okay. Just want to make sure.
yeah, I didn't want to separate them until they literally just signed the warrant as we were pulling up. So,
Okay. Alrighty.
so sorry I had to work out like that. I really appreciate you guys.
No,
though.
you're fine. Thank
Thanks.
you.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. I understand. I haven't been lying to you. Like I said, she actually, as we were pulling up, the case agent for this case called me, and like they just issued a warrant for you. So that's what you're being arrested for.
Well, I'll be able to find out. I'm not trying to freak out.
No, I know.
That's my story. I just, I did until I married this man. He was perfect. Okay. But then I married him. He beat me. He put my mouth wide open. He broke my ribs.
Hey, 13 pounder.
He broke my belongings. This was while pregnant, not pregnant, and while she was a newborn. My attorney.
1051 to jail. Call the beginning.
My escape on him. She had planned potential. I filmed every move that I made with him as far as taking pictures of what he said to me.
11581.
Putting protection orders on him. I have a protection order on him right now for the chainsaw.
Yes, ma'am. Do you want those windows up so the AC blows back there? Or you want them down so you can? Okay.
I feel like my heart just got ripped out of my chest.
I understand. Just relax. You're working yourself up.
That baby is my life.
I know, and that baby is in probably the safest place in town it can be right now. No, but that's the safest place in this town she can be. Those ladies are excellent. That's what they do.
It's not that I don't want him to be a daddy. My daughter deserves to have that. I would never make that choice for her, ever. Because I'm that little girl that grew up wondering where her daddy was her whole life. But he's honestly victims of human games and guns and failing tests and going to prison.
Yes, ma'am.
And he doesn't put up the initiative into being a good father for her. I have to protect her by all costs. If I have one purpose here, it's to be her mother. Because I failed 3. I did. I failed 3. I was in a bad addiction back then.
Yes, ma'am.
I know how to be their mother. I can't breathe.
That's why if you turn yourself sideways, you can get some of that pressure off your back.
Mama, I'm going to jail. You know what my charges are? Sir, do you know what my charges are?
I'm not sure if they call it custodial interference or that's basically what it is, custodial interference. I don't know what the term is in Mississippi.
Jordan Akers faces a kidnapping charge, which carries a sentencing range from 1 year to life in prison, depending on factors like the duration of the disappearance, interstate travel, and the endangered designation assigned to the child. If prosecutors choose a lesser route, they may apply interstate removal of a child, which carries a maximum penalty of 3 years in prison and or a $2,000 fine. Though the interstate nature and evidence of prolonged evasion make it more likely that the higher charge will stand. The companion may face charges of aiding and abetting, which in Mississippi can be punished with the same severity as the principal offense if active participation in keeping the child from the lawful custodial parent is proven. With the arrests formalized, the court will now determine the appropriate penalties and the steps necessary to restore emotional stability and a protective environment for the child after 2 months of itinerant living.